Hi everyone! Today I thought we could do a fun little activity together with a few bits and bobs that you surely have laying around the house. So for this activity, you're going to need help from Mummy and Daddy, and today we're going to be making silly toilet roll monsters. Now for this activity, you're going to need a toilet roll or a kitchen roll, some paint, you can choose your favourite colour, a paintbrush, some glue, some googly eyes, coloured card paper, soft tissue paper and some scissors. But don't forget, you need some help from an adult if you want to use your scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is take our toilet roll or kitchen roll, whichever one you have, and our paintbrush. Take a little bit of paint. I'm using purple because that's my favourite colour, and we're going to paint the whole toilet roll. Now, once that's painted the colour that you wish, we're going to let it dry for a few minutes and probably do another coat so it's nice and even colour. So once that your paint is nice and dry, you're going to take the coloured paper card that you have. I'm choosing yellow and pink. So you can first draw out circles to make the eyes and whatever shape you want to make a silly mouth. So I've cut out 3 eyes, 3 pink eyes, which I'm gonna glue on directly to the paper roll. 1, 2, and 3. 3 pink eyes. And with my yellow card, I have cut out a silly yellow mouth. Now we have to press it down for a little bit to make sure that it sticks properly, and we're going to give it another few minutes so it can dry completely. Now it's time to take your little googly eyes, they're a bit fiddly, I've got 2 here, and put a bit of glue behind them. Now, probably going to need a little bit of help with this because it is a little bit tricky, especially if your googly eyes are as small as mine. Put a little bit of glue, shake it all around so the glue becomes a bit tacky, and we're going to glue it on one of the eyes. Now let's repeat the process for the other 2 eyes. So now that you've glued the goggly eyes onto your monster, we need to make sure that it's nice and dry because the next step is to make his hair. Now, soft tissue paper you might not have at home, so I'm using paper towels, pink. If you don't have any of this, you can use toilet paper that you draw on and make funky designs, or any kind of soft tissue paper that you have laying around. So you need to take it, scrunch it all up. What we're going to do is stick it in the top of his head and give him a super fun haircut. There you go, easy peasy. So there you go guys, super easy toilet roll monsters. If you decide to give this activity a try, please don't forget to send us photos so we can see your lovely creations. And other than that guys, miss you a lot and I hope to see you very soon. Lots of love. Bye.